By this time, you guys should have access to my creators GPT. Thank you guys for your support. So today we are going to show you how to use King of Indoctrination emails GPT. So he's an expert in creating highly engaging, attention-grabbing, and original indoctrination email sequences. Please provide your business name and a short description. So for example, let's say I have a company called Influx. Influx is a AI automation agency that builds AI systems to streamline business workflow. Okay, let's see what it does. All right, so you'll go ahead and create the email series. So for the indoctrination email, I set it to 5 sequences. So there will be 5 emails, and all of the emails will have emojis. It will be very human-like. It will have postscript as well, because usually, psychologically speaking, people usually read the postscript first. So it's very important to put, a important note there. So, for example, at Influx, we believe in making life easier, not harder. That's our not so secret sauce. Anyways, it gets the thing working. So our philosophy, if a robot can do it better, let the robot do it. Your brain deserves a break. So how basically you can create, systems that can help businesses to improve and streamline their workflow to make it faster, right? So right here we have, 5 emails ready to go. So the last email, remember at Influx, we're not just about tech, we're about people behind it. That includes you. Together, we're unstoppable. You reached the grand finale of our email saga. By now, you know what Influx is, how it works, and how it's already transforming businesses. The future is yours to shape with little help from our AI wizardry. Picture this, you at the helm of your thriving business with time to spend, a smile to share. That's not just a dream, that's an Influx reality. So that's very catchy. Uh, Obviously, you can tweak this if you want to. These just drafts, and then basically it will help you streamline your email writing and email sequence writing. So that's how I use the King of Indoctrination emails. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I create these GPTs, the specific prompts and instructions that I've used, subscribe to my free newsletter where I will go through all of them. Link below. All right, we'll see you there.